everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David, and this is Right Direction Adventures.
We're so excited to share our love of travel with you. Welcome to our new channel. We wanted to take some time to introduce ourselves, let you know why we created the channel, and what you can expect moving forward.
Yeah, so I'm David. I grew up in the beautiful city of San Diego, California. I'm a Chargers and Padres fan. I love comic books, movies, music, pretty much anything nerd culture I'm a big part of. I love Disney, obviously, and that's pretty much it.
And I'm Rachel. I affectionately identify as a Hoosier, but I was raised all over the United States. I love music and go to a lot of concerts. I really love the Muppets, and I love cheese. It's by far my favorite food, and there's no such thing as too much cheese, despite what this guy might try to tell you. We met over 15 years ago, and we've been married for over 16 years at this point. We just discovered our shared love of travel not that long ago. And after the world came to a halt in 2020, and I had a cancer scare in my early 20s, we just decided we wanted to live life to the fullest and do all the things.
Yeah, obviously we're always up for an adventure. We do things from Disney, theme parks, cruising, land tours, and even some ghost hunting. So I'm more go with the flow, be more spontaneous, don't think too much about what we're going to be doing, but she's the total opposite.
Yeah, I am a master planner. Organized fun is my mantra. But regardless of our differing travel styles, we can both agree that traveling is not just a passion for us. It's a way to connect with people and have some fun along the way.
Which leads us into why we really started this channel. We started Right Direction Adventures as an opportunity to give you guys resources and ideas for the best vacation for you guys. You know, there's a lot of different options out there. Some of them are more confusing than others. And we wanted to really show you guys how we do it, what works for us, and hopefully some of that translates well over to what you guys do. Right Direction Adventures is just the first letter of our initials. It means a lot more to us. We want to make sure we're always going to be putting you guys on a path towards success.
I have a passion for planning, and I want to share my tips and tricks that I've accumulated over the years so that you can be empowered to plan the best budget-friendly vacation for you and your family. We have done VIP experiences, private excursions, land tours, group travel, pretty much anything that you could think of, and we're here to tell you what's worth it and what isn't.
There really is so much out there, right? You have theme parks, cruises, staycations, and even some spookier adventures we've done over the years. So we're hoping to kind of show you guys what the good and maybe the not so good things were about some of those things we've done, and hopefully give you guys a really good perspective when you're heading into your next vacation. Now, you're probably wondering what you can expect from our channel.
Well, firstly, we'll be posting new videos every week. These weekly videos will feature in-depth reviews, planning tutorials, and day-in-the-life travel vlogs. We promise to give you honest reviews, tips for maximizing your travel, and how to find hidden gems wherever you go.
And in between all of that content, you can find us on social media at Right Direction Adventures, where we'll be posting updates and maybe even some short videos along the way.
We have a lot of video ideas brewing, so we wanted to share some of the topics that you can expect to see on our channel, starting with tutorials. I plan to share free tools and tutorials on how to use them so that you can plan the best vacation based on your budget and your travel style.
And theme parks. From Disney to Universal to Knott's Berry Farm to Dollywood, and maybe even some smaller local parks, we're going to give you guys the inside scoop on how to skip the lines, which snacks are worth grabbing, which rides we think are the best, and what some of the VIP experience might even be like.
And hotels. We want to share room tours and reviews with you, from 5 stars on the beach to 2 stars next to the airport, so that you can make educated decisions on where to stay for your next trip.
And cruises. Whether it's a tropical adventure or a cold weather expedition, we're going to make sure you have all the information you need to figure out which one's right for you. We'll give you a full rundown of all the different cruise lines and their itineraries so you know exactly how they stack up.
And lastly, some oddball adventures. You can always expect the unexpected from our channel. From concert reviews to ghost hunting to eating our way through Las Vegas and ranking Rolling Stone's top 100 movies of all time, we just want to make fun content that engages with a variety of interests. Now that you know what to expect from our channel, we would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see or where you want us to go next. We would also love to hear about your travel experiences.
Yeah, and if anything from this video really appeals to your interests, or maybe you're planning a vacation in the future, hit the subscribe button. We want to make sure you get all the information you need and that you don't miss out on any of our adventures. And we've got some upcoming videos that we're really excited about, including top 5 places to eat on the Las Vegas Strip, a review of the newest cruise ship, and even some theme park content that's coming down the pipeline.
Thanks for joining us, friends. We hope you're as excited about this channel as we are, because we would love to help you find the right direction for your next adventure. Until next time, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And we're so excited to go on this journey with you. Bye!
Bye.